biology first.
Okay. Quiet down, class. No, none of that. Okay, quiet down. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna be your substitute teacher, Mr. Mart Hall. I'm here filling in for Mr. Smith. So all of that, none of that will be tolerated at up. Yeah. Hey, who threw that? I'm gonna write you up, buddy. I'm gonna write you up.
Maybe I'm the new kid.
Petrovsky is cooking up dough.
I got on some new shit.
What's going on, Sneaker Homes? It's your boy Corey, and today I'm bringing you a very, very educational sneaker, because an educator is finally an influencer, someone who impacts lives daily, someone who shapes and molds the minds of influencers. So, is an educator the first influencer? I think so. First step to influence. Okay, so today I'm bringing you, if you see this box, you see this amazing, you know, if you know me, you know I love boxes and packaging and stuff like that. That's what gets me. The sneaker is only one part, but the overall packaging and the delivery of the thought that goes into these certain things is what really makes me smile. These are the Air Gina SP, the SP Genas, right? Shoe Palace and an amazing woman. Her name is Gina. She's a school teacher in Northern California, and she wears her sneakers. I'm gonna put a link to her story down below, but she does a lot for the children that she comes in contact with, as far as like mentoring and her fashion of sneakers, her knowledge of sneakers, and her overall style, and the way she draws the kids in with her style and her sneakers, her Jordans especially. And you know, she does her thing. She's an amazing woman. I've got a chance to chat with her through DMs on about like things she's doing, and things I'm doing for the community and stuff like that. But here we go. Outfitted in a what would look like a Jordan 1 OG box. If you wear Jordan 1s, this is very similar to the box, but this is a tin. It's in shape of a lunchbox, a old school lunchbox. Y'all young, y'all don't know, remember the tin lunchboxes, but yeah, this is a homage to the tin lunchboxes from yesteryear. On the inside of the box, we have Shoe Palace. It says Shoe Palace, Jumpman, Shoe Palace, Jumpman. You know, nice step and repeat type stuff. Then we have the receipt. We have the paper. Yeah. So the paper, it has Jumpman. It says Shoe Palace. It has Gina's logo, SP Gina, Shoe Palace Gina. Then you have the Jumpman. I really like that they collaborated with. And then the piece de la resistance is her. She has her own Jordan card. Like growing up, collecting Jordans. I've been collecting Jordans since birth, literally. Baby pictures. One, and I'm up in ages now, but having your own Jordan card, collecting these. Hold on. Yeah, I don't. A lot of y'all don't even know. Couldn't even look. I still have some. This is the OG 1 Jordan card. When they started doing the Jordan cards again. To have your own Jordan card is amazing. Like, shouts out to her. Like, a couple others, but Yeah, that's just like she's the GOAT for that. Gina the GOAT. But okay, so yeah, get that out of the way. She has the Jordan card. Comes with a sticker. Then it's amazingness. Bam. It comes with a keychain. It's an apple with a Jordan sign. Then on the reverse side of the apple, it's the SP for Shoe Palace. But here we are. Here you have it. It's amazing. Okay, let's get. We have other shoe. Get this out the way. Okay. Have the other shoe. Put this up. So these were it's crazy. The crazy part about the shoes is red laces. The crazy part about this shoe was when I first saw them like last year, I got a preview to them last year, but I didn't know that they were a collaboration. I don't think they were a collaboration. This shoe, I think they were in works for a collaboration, but I don't know if this shoe was selected for the collaboration or what. But I saw the shoe like last year, and I was like, oh, this shoe's cool. It was said new ballistic mesh, Jordan 1, OG high, and I was like, oh, it's cool. It only released at Shoe Palaces. Shoe Palaces are on the West Coast, like Texas has a couple. I know Florida has one, but they're mainly on the West Coast. So Arizona, you got all of Los Angeles is a family-owned company, and they have influence in California for being a place to copy shoes. Line up, they do a lot of first come first serves. They did a live raffle for this. They did an event earlier in May where you had to take a test at the first Shoe Palace in Bascom, it's somewhere in San Jose, if I'm saying that right. But yeah, you have to take a Scantron test, school, and then you be able to buy a pair. I think they just let people buy pairs after the test because they had a lot. So I heard, yeah. So this shoe is just what more can I say? Like, this shoe is fire. But yeah, like they sat a little bit. It's an amazing shoe. It's like a black and a silver it's like a black on the toe and like a grayish, blackish, like mixing. The red bottom is fire. But they sat a little bit. They sold out some places and sat others. People really wanted just the box and the stuff that came with Jordan card. They didn't like the sneaker. But let this have been a collaboration with some rapper or somebody. These would have sold out without a doubt. Athlete or something. These would have sold out like that because there weren't a lot, and the East Coast really didn't get them. But people would, I guess, because she's not super known. She's just a teacher. Like, people didn't really rock with them. But it's an amazing shoe. I love the collaboration behind it. I love the box. I love everything about it. It's just a feel-good shoe. It needs to be more things like this that Jordan and Nike and even Adidas do with your everyday influencer, not the Instagram model or the athlete or the rapper or the musician. Like, the people that actually shape the lives of the people that affect you daily. Like, you ever think about that? Maybe not. But yeah, all that being said, this is an amazing shoe. After tax, it was like $197, but it was worth it to me. To me, it was worth it. I bought 3 pairs, and I just think it was an amazing shoe. It came in sizes 4 to 14. I think 4 to 14 was just up north or online because a lot of the stores in LA only had like 8 to 14. Some had 8 to 13, 8 to 12. Yeah. So shout out to Gina. I'm gonna put her Instagram down below so you can see her. You can see her story. You know, we got to start giving back to the people that affect us and the people that affect us in positive ways. Like, yeah. So that's been my review. I'm gonna show you some up closes. You tell me what you think. If you like them, if you don't like them, if you love the stuff it comes with. Do you want to be an influencer? And shout out to the poster they was giving away. They have Gina. That's Gina right there. Her wearing the kicks. Gina right there. A little quotes, you know. Cool. Very amazing woman. SP Gina. I'm your boy. And go get the Ginas. Go get the Ginas.
Maybe I'm the new kid.
The Trovsky is cooking up.